Hello, honey. What does Mommy have here? You want this as much as I do? Okay, so it's a super cold and windy day outside, and I swore I was never going to do this. My mother bought this for me. I actually bought 3 of them because I thought, well, maybe I'll try to sell them on eBay. They're going for about 10 bucks on eBay. You know what? I just couldn't resist this. I had no intentions on eating this. Isn't it the most adorable thing you've ever seen? Check it out, Rudolph. I love Rudolph. How do you not love Rudolph? So, I don't know. I just couldn't help but buy it. It was 99 cents. Who cares? It was originally, I think, 5 bucks or something. People are buying it on eBay for 10. And I just don't eat junk food like this anymore. Would you? Would you eat junk food like this? I certainly wouldn't. I've quit that altogether. No way on God's green earth would I eat a gummy bear, especially a gigantic one like this. No way, never. Never would Mommy eat this. My hands would get inflamed. It would be all nasty. I'd be in pain, agony and pain all day long, wouldn't I? Yes, I would. I would be the agony and pain all day long. But you know what? It's super cold and windy outside. And I just think I might, I don't know, take Rudolph out of its nest. Smells sugary. What is that? No, you can't lick it. You can't lick it. No, you just licked his feet, honey. Why did you lick his feet? No, Mommy's supposed to, baby, eat that. Oh my gosh, look, it's Rudolph. Isn't he so cute? It's Rudolph. It's Rudolph. It's Rudolph. Who doesn't love a Rudolph? So, I don't know. What do you think? Oh, there's another piece of plastic here. There it is. We'll get rid of that. Oh, it smells so bad for you. It smells so bad for you. Probably because it is. Is it a deer? Female deer? Far a long, long way to go? Me, a name I call myself. Far a long, long way to run. Oh God, Brett. I bet the ear of a Rudolph. Well, for the record. Poor Rudolph. I'm sorry, Rudolph. I'm sorry. I bit Rudolph's ear. I did. I bit his ear off. I bit his ear off. Oh my goodness. It doesn't taste like a gummy bear. It says it's strawberry. It doesn't taste like strawberry to me. Well, maybe a hint of strawberry. Starting to taste not so good. One thing, Rudolph. Aw, he's so cute. Maybe just a foot. Maybe if I eat just a foot. Oh my God. Oh, I feel so bad. It's Rudolph. Oh no. I bit off Rudolph's foot. Oh no. Do you feel bad for him too? Look, he's missing a hoof. He's missing his hoof, honey. And of course, I'm chewing on the side where I lost the tooth, which is another reason why you don't want to eat this junk. I don't want to eat this junk. Oh, you don't. For the record, again, I normally never do, but it's cold and windy outside. There's a travel ban out there. You want to come up here? Come on. Up here. There's a travel ban out there. And, We got bored. We got bored, so we ate Rudolph. Should we eat his nose? Oh, he's so cute. I don't want to eat his nose. You want to eat his nose? He's so cute. I don't want to eat his nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny. Just do it, get over with. Nose. Oh my God. I loved him so much. I did. By the way, if you ever want a dog not to chew something, like a stuffed animal, of all the hundreds that he has, you show it to him, and then you say, oh, it's such a nice boy. You don't want to tear it apart, do you? Yeah, you need to be nice and gentle to it. That's how you train a dog, not to tear apart his toys. Ain't that right, Angel? Yeah, ain't that right? Well,
Can you say joy?
I think we've had enough for Rudolph. We think we've had enough beating Rudolph. Beating Rudolph up today. Well, let's have another foot. Oh my God. It's so semi-satisfying, sorta. And yet, it tastes so bad. Ugh. Rudolph Holiday Gummy. Get yours today. Or don't. Save your health. What are you doing, Bingo? What are you doing over there? Who is this? Is it Rudolph? I think you're out of the picture, honey. I think you might be out of the picture. You want to be in the picture? Come over here. Come over here. I'll stay there forever. All right. One last thing. I think I may eat his tail. I'm sorry, Rudolph. He's so cute. I'm sorry. I feel really bad now. Let me put him away. He's done now. We're not going to eat anymore. That's pretty close. Oh. On second thought, I think I'm coming up back for more. You want to help me eat Rudolph? No, I would never let my dog eat this gummy. I would never do it. I would never let my dog eat a gummy, but he could say hello to him. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. But if you ever saw him, you definitely wouldn't say it glows. Then all the other reindeer, hey, used to don't laugh at him and call him names. We're just gonna have to eat another foot. Oh God, this is gonna be terrible to watch. I'm pretty Rudolph. As he watches me eat him. Alright, well. Oh, he's so cute. Really, it's just too much. I mean, I waited, I think 3 weeks. I didn't even consider eating him. And then one day, I just had this sugar craving. I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. And then, well, it's cold and windy and there's a travel ban on. So, hey, you want to see his last foot, Maxie? It's his last foot. It's his last hoof. He's on his last hoof. Rudolph's on his last hoof. He has no more hoofs. It's a legless. Oh, that's terrible. It's a legless reindeer. Rudolph. Alright, I better do this quick because God. Alright, last bite. Let's take another ear. His face is so cute. I'm gonna get sick if I keep eating this. I'm gonna tell you that right now. So, later. Night night, Rudolph. Oh, don't look. Don't look. Okay. We're back. I know we're gonna get a sick stomach. This is just not advisable by any means. Anybody who watches my channel knows that I am a health freak, and I never, and I mean ever, except for today, because it's cold and windy outside and there's a travel ban on, do I ever eat junk food, especially not Rudolph. How can anybody eat innocent little Rudolph? How can anybody do that? I just don't understand. And it twisted my mind for 3 weeks until I decided it was very cold and windy outside. And there's a travel ban on. Ooh, oh, there it is. There's Rudolph. Poor baby. Poor Rudolph. Give him your sympathies. I really better stop eating this. I'm going to get stuck. Can't even talk with this in my mouth. I guess the chewing is semi-satisfying though, but it is complete junk food. Ugh! Even you know it's junk food, right? Let's eat his ass. Alright, I gotta be done. This is so gross. It is so gross. We now have a half a reindeer and a half a dog ass. What are you doing? Make yourself comfortable. Now I'm sure you're out of the picture. Alright, last time. Alright, I am not feeling so well. Do yourself a favor and don't eat these things. Especially if it's Rudolph. I'm sorry. Poor Rudolph. He's definitely seen better days. Oh, I do love a Rudolph though. I do. Oh, that was really gross.